Hey, Steve Aberle, Chief Product Officer of NNCompass here. We talk a lot about how NNCompass gives users the ability to upload, ingest, and prep unstructured documents, much in the same way you can prep structured data. We view this capability as a cornerstone of our data management platform because we see so many customers and enterprises struggle with the problem set of enriching and applying structure to unstructured files like PDFs, PDF forms, Word documents, emails, and PowerPoint, then integrate that into their business process. We put a massive amount of engineering into NNCompass to address this gap, and that's what I want to show you today, with a quick video of how anyone can connect to unstructured documents, apply structure, and orchestrate cloud AI services to enrich the data. We'll be using unstructured patient records. They look like this, which is a good example of a major unstructured data problem, with hospitals sending patient records back and forth via fax. And we'll also be able to show how we orchestrate cloud AI, and in this case, AWS Comprehend Medical, to apply domain-specific NLP and make the output of those algorithms consumable by everyone inside the health enterprise. So, humans are fantastic at interpreting the structure of documents just like this. I can easily see the key value pairs, the structured data hidden inside this form. A computer, though, it has problems, to say the least. You can OCR this document, and the output is what I like to call a gobbledygook word bag of nonsense. Matter of fact, I'll ingest the document without applying any machine learning and show you the output, seen here. It's not good. The best you can do really is index the contents and hope that a keyword search can bring you back something close to what you're looking for. But if you're dealing with multi-column text layout or any type of form, you've got a problem. When it's in this state, you can't perform any type of analytic, whether that's machine learning, deep learning, or statistical analysis. So what we've done in NNCompass is engineer machine learning processes, combining a set of algorithms like LSTM-RNN, CNN, Tesseract OCR, TensorFlow deep learning, during the ingest process so the system recognizes this as a health record PDF and picks up all the structured form components. And applying all of this is a single click for any user, technical or not. And you can see here that this unstructured patient health record is now highly structured data, and that's amazing. But I see here that in the extracted text block, I've got admission notes and radiology reports. So let's focus in on one of those radiology reports. And what I'm going to do through point-and-click user tools is tell the system to extract just the radiology report and create a new column with just that text there. So that's done. And the reason I did that is now I want to send this text block to AWS Comprehend Medical, which is a fantastic cloud AI capability that applies domain-specific natural language processing. So I'm going to go to my Smart Data Workbench and apply Comprehend Medical against not the whole data source, but just the radiology report. So this becomes a very optimized process where instead of sending the entire document off to AWS, I've minified it, which increases the efficiency of using a tool like this. The UI makes it seem easy, but what's really happening under the hood is a massive amount of cloud orchestration. In essence, NNCompass orchestrates all of the core software engineering tasks someone would need to first learn, then write to, then test, experiment, and deploy when using a cloud AI service like this. And in less than 10 seconds, I have the results back from Comprehend Medical. And now the most important part here is actually making the results consumable. When you receive the output back from Comprehend Medical, depending on the size of the text block you sent it, what you'll get back is a massive JSON file that isn't easily interpretable. So what we knew we had to do was integrate it back into the source records, and importantly, make the output of these services consumable to business analysts, data scientists, and data engineers alike. And that's what you're seeing here. The service is absolutely fantastic. It shows you the domain-specific extracted entities, their types, categories, traits, confidence scores, all of this now highly structured data, what we like to call AI ML ready. Now you can actually perform precision recall against each structured field in this data, and you can start running ML jobs like predicting readmission risk, prescription analytics by any number of facets in your data. So now that I've worked with the uploaded training set, I can now ask NNCompass to create a stream. That will do the same exact process I just walked through to a larger corpus of data. And from here, I can export to any number of files, formats, databases. Maybe I want to export this data directly into my EHR system of record in the HL7 XML format. What's amazing here is this machine learning model ingest process for unstructured documents works on a multitude of forms. One more quick example is a standard form 1449, which is a contracting purchase order form. So here's an example of one of these forms, and again, ingesting this document without applying our ML models isn't going to do a lot, but you can see all the form elements and even structured tables inside this document. Without applying the models, here's what the OCR text looks like. But now let's apply that contracting form model and ingest these documents again, And now you see you've got a rich set of structured data components. From everyone here at NN thanks so much for stopping by, and welcome to a new era of unstructured data management. Check out our website, drop us a line, especially if you'd like to talk about a solution to your unstructured data management use cases.